and Krish, you can start.
Yes, thank you. Hey everyone. So for Discord over the last 1 week, we have seen number of new members as 448. Uh, it's that we are still working on Discord playbook. I think it is almost done. We'll just review it one more time and we'll make it live for everyone so that people can all the community members can find more ways to connect and contribute and network with each other. That's all for Discord. On Telegram, we saw new subscribers as 217. So that is, if we look at starting from the March week first, this is the highest number of new subscribers we have got after the AlphaNet launch announcement. Okay. On Twitter, again, we have seen a spike in the number of new followers. This is the second highest number of new followers after the week we announced Shardeum in February. That time we had got around 4,500 followers, and this is 1,400 followers. And the even the impressions are the highest throughout Shardium's Twitter journey, which is 313K. We are also like for Twitter for the upcoming week we are already we working on a Twitter Spaces event. It will announce that tomorrow, and so from coming weeks as soon as AlphaNet is live, we'll have more activities going on Twitter as well. On YouTube, we have got 338 views. So last week during the AlphaNet demo, we had 3,000 views, which so now it's 10%, which is 338. This is also mostly for the AlphaNet demo. And then our new subscribers are 50. So we high last week for the AlphaNet demo, and now we have a drop again. So now tomorrow we'll be going live again. During for the AlphaNet launch, the event is already added for everyone, and once that happens, we'll have other videos also going live. Once that happens, we'll publish videos on the other things that we have for AlphaNet. That's about it. I think that's from mine.
Good evening. So, blogs published for last week zero because I was mostly focused on AlphaNet that we will be launching tomorrow, documentation and the website, the new website that will be going live soon. So that is it. But I have to. But I'm keeping up to date with the blog submissions. There are at least 5 blogs that I need to review, which I will review and publish. After the launch, and so that is work to be done. But as I said, continue to create content, continue contributing, continue submitting the content.
Hey Ram, did this presentation freeze, or are we waiting for someone to present the next slide?
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah. Presentation, I can see it, Ram. You can start the slide.
Fine, right?
Yes, it's
Okay.
fine. I can start the slideshow.
And can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can move.
Okay. So yeah. So I'm
I think Subu's turn.
Right. Maybe Greg is not able to hear me.
Great, we can all. Can you hear us? We can all hear Subbu.
All right. That's on the blog for last week. That being said, the quality of the blogs we all have, published together, still kind of attracted, audience. The page views have increased a little bit, and on the right hand side, you'll see the top performing blogs. Those are the latest ones, I would. So yeah, quality is way more important. So let's keep that in mind. And thank you again for your continuous contribution. Yeah, looking forward to the AlphaNet with all of you there. I'll see you there. That's it from my end. Ram.
Thanks a bunch, Chandresh. So with respect to website metrics, yeah, that's a huge jump last week. So we were like 3,369 last week, and the previous week, and this week we are at 5,401. So the jump is good, but the thing is, like, again, it's majorly contributed by the display ads that we are trying last week. Again, I tried it last week and still keep experimenting it. So because of that one, so we got the spike. And but a good thing to notice, the highest traffic came from organic, like the search traffic, and literally increased. So it was the highest till date, like 826 traffic came from organic searches. So shows that Shardeum is searched more, and so we'll keep try to keep improving this metrics here. And of course, 826 majorly contributed by the branded keywords at this moment. And in terms of newsletter subscribers, again, we got 154 subscribers last week. And this one, though the traffic numbers were great, of course, the newsletter subscribers were relatively lesser. But compared to previous week, we almost doubled it. But yes, let's see for the AlphaNet launch. The next metric majorly is majorly for the AlphaNet launches, targeting more of the developer community. As mentioned, so the major traffic share was dominated by the display at 70%, and followed by organic at 15%. Like organic, I mean search traffic, and direct traffic 10%, and social 2.5%. So registrations we just started from yesterday evening. So till now we got 328 registrations. So we have just one more day. So hopefully we can double the numbers. Yes, that's all from my end for the metrics. To those.
Everyone, so here, hello for me. Uh, Still just working without the fellow for this week. Updates are that I've been working on content. We have been scheduled working on more community events, including the Spaces event, the YouTube Live event, and also planning more events for the upcoming next couple of weeks after. So people like developers and the community can start building and interacting with the Alphanet. So that is the first thing that is being planned. Second is also the promotion for liberty, uh, so that everyone can start using it. So that can be that is total social promotion. And then I'm also working on Shubham and Yash and I think are working on the playbook. So once that goes live, that was something that we worked over this last 1 week. And once that goes live, I think we'll plan more things for the community to do. One of the was like a couple other things I'm working on are documents. Like one document is a linked document where people can find resources related to Shardium in one Excel sheet wherever they want to go, whether it's a blog, whether it's social, or like they want to join the creator list, content, become a contributor for content. So that's one link document I have started working on. Hopefully, it will get completed within this week. That's about it.
Hey Ram, do you able to filter for any? Again, team, apologies. I did not get a chance to update this. That being said, quickly I'll just walk you through, what I was involved with last week. So the AlphaNet. So we are planning, as you all know, we are planning for a AlphaNet landing page, where our potential future. Ethereum-based developers or any developers come and visit that AlphaNet page, go through the documentation on how to import the network, how to create Shardeum network, adding to the wallet, and distributing faucet. So all those things. So we're compiling it, and I've been able to get a lot of help from the marketing team, including everybody here, the committers, right? So that is ongoing, and also the blog post which we discussed, I think, and new website content. There are some changes that was made to the website copy. The website copy which you saw like a couple of weeks back, which was published, the wireframe one. So just made a few changes to make sure the first impression when the website goes live, the first impression is the best impression, right? So I want to make sure that we capture all the latest information, like everything about Shardeum, low gas fees forever, linear scalability, all those things. So I want to make sure that is reflected on the website copies. I think that's about it for now. Thanks, Ram.
Thanks, Abu. So from my end, of course, coordinated with Subbu for the content for the AlphaNet page, the landing page, and try to execute the page. And page will be live by tomorrow, AlphaNet landing page. And .shardium.org, of course, Dan and Subbu coordinating on this one. Just saw the progress there, and again, that also will be live by tomorrow. So both those two deliverables on time, so will be launched by tomorrow. And the next one, the major deliverable is the website. So website, actually we plan to make the homepage live by tomorrow, but we face a technical integration issues with the because our WordPress, our blog was in WordPress. The website was in the open source separate environment. So due to that, we face certain challenges. Actually, we migrated our website, so from the WordPress.com to .org separately for other purposes. Like the blog, we actually migrated. That is completed. So only the integration we were facing a challenges, so that will be again delayed. So the actual the next planned timeline is homepage at least by next 2 to 3 days we will make it live. By 4th of May, all the pages will be made live, meaning internally, and then after testing and any other changes, everything will be again reviewing it for another 2 to 3 days, and by somewhere between 8 to 10th of May, the website will be made live, the new website. So that's on the website part. Then again, with respect to event, this created the Eventbrite. Where is it? Just created the Eventbrite creations. So that is completed. Sent the email to all the subscribers. That is also completed. And the next one, with Google Ads, I mentioned in the last week, piloting few more traffic, and of course, I can't promote the events in Google Ads directly until a separate landing page. So unable to achieve a promotion through Google Ads. Facebook also doesn't allow blockchain ads, so that also has been removed from the list. I have been coordinating with a few more platforms to promote the event and for other purposes as well. So was facing some payment issues for the recent registration and everything. So I of course solved one issue today. So let's see how next week I have more platforms in hand to promote more and bring more traffic and awareness. So majorly trying to target most of the developer community through the options that I have, and I'll show the progress next week to you guys. Yeah, that's all from my end on the updates. Craig, yeah, Priyanka is there. Yeah, you can share your updates.
Thank you, Ram. Can you hear me?
Yes, Priyanka.
Okay, great. All right. So this week, I would be reaching out to the media folks and some Web3 YouTubers and Telegram groups to tell them about what the AlphaNet is all about and how developers can get started. And of course, their apps and all that. So this is what I'll be doing this week. It's something I'll be continuing as well.
Thanks, Priyanka. Greg, anything from your end? You have to add it. Or your experience in conference?
We are, last week I was in Amsterdam at the Ethereum Dev Connect conference. Met a lot of VC funds there who are interested in working with Shardeum. The Shardeum Foundation was formed last week in Switzerland and is now recognized as a legal entity there. So we're going through the process of setting up the bank account in Switzerland now, which takes some time, and then we'll be able to take in the funds from investors and close the round, which is exciting. There was a lot of excitement about Shardeum at the conference. Projects that are interested to partner with Shardeum and build on Shardeum. So, really excited for us to close this fundraising round and, start sponsoring different conferences and presenting at events, because we're going to capture a lot of the industry's attention, and great things are going to happen. So other than continuing to meet with VC funds, and now strategizing internally with the marketing team on how to make the AlphaNet exciting and how to attract attention for what we're building. So many projects have AlphaNets. This is just a test, so you have to be strategic in coming up with unique ways to make people excited. If anyone in the community has ideas on anything you think we could do to capture a large amount of attention. Everyone's excited about the premise of what we're building with Shardeum and the technology, but to make the testnet exciting, we have to do something truly unique. So Nishal said, any idea you have, even if your idea is to give the top projects $1 million each. Think without boundaries and come up with exciting ideas. This is something we're focused on right now. And also just continuing to interview developers, but that's not marketing related. So, yep, that's updates on my end.
Thanks, Greg. Team, any other questions from your end on the marketing side? You can unmute yourself and you can feel free to ask. Cool then. Thanks, team.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.